Hello and welcome to True Vikings Food Show Germany, to the first episode. And as you see, I'm in the middle of a cornfield, and there is Joel.
Oh shit!
Yeah, no. That. So, what are we eating today? Something German to keep us going.
Chocolate.
That's food for the engine, as we say it. Öl för den motor.
Just the bread that I made myself
Yeah.
with €3.
Wow, you made that yourself? Yeah. Excellent. Well, what do we got there?
Tomatoes, some
mayonnaise.
lettuce,
Looking
mayonnaise.
really good. And what are you trying to hide here? I stand in Berchtesgadener land. See how happy the cow is there. And the farmer. Yogurt drink. Yes.
Chocolate, of course.
Oh yeah, this is the sport version of the chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's trying
energy.
to be healthy.
Yeah, energy. Of
And
course.
Weiss und crisp, Keks und Nuss. That's good. Good nuss.
Nuss
right
is
there.
always good.
Yeah, so what do we got here? Coffee. Yes, we'll have some coffee. Got the Müllermilch. 5 times something for 50,000 euros. Alright, finding salary something. Okay, if we find stuff here, we got 50,000 bucks. Oh, I also made a sandwich. Hold on. Yeah, already started there. So what do I have here? What did I make today with me? Bring with me. I broke the bag a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice hoe. Oh, there's more here. So I'm gonna have a baguette with cheese, tomato, maybe it's mozzarella cheese, salad, and yeah, dishes. Yeah, let's remove that. It's a bit stuck to my sandwich. Okay, well, it came from trees anyway, so how bad can it be? Okay. Yeah, looking good. What else? We got the apple. We got bananas and carrots. And also got a sport version with peppermint. And we're really heavy into this super food nowadays, so we got goji beans. What's in them? Getrocknet. Let's see, 1.7 gram fat, not so much salt. Genisen, whatever that means. Alright, so that's what we will be eating today. Will keep us going, make us find those nice Roman stuff. We need the energy. True that. True Vikings. See what I did there? I'm a wordsmith sometimes. Alright, we'll finish this up and then we keep metal detecting. You can also watch the metal detecting. It's more of a sub show to this eating show.
Yeah.
Maybe someone's interested in that as well.
Yeah, I like this eating part more.
Yeah, me too. Tomorrow we'll bring some bacon.